Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make chicken light soup or chicken carrot soup, and let's get right into it. As you can see, these are ingredients I'm going to use. These are my vegetables which I'll cook for some time. Let me chip this in right quick. So guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. These are my natural spices. I'm going to blend everything. I'm just adding equal volume of water so that it won't become too watery. And these are the carrots and my chicken. So I just pour the blended onion, garlic, ginger, everything into the chicken. I mix thoroughly to ensure that it is well seasoned whilst on fire on a medium heat. This is where I add my basil leaves for that unique taste and flavor. This is hard chicken, so we are supposed to let it cook for it to be very tender. And it's time for me to blend the carrot, tomatoes and onions all together. Once again, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And now we are blending everything. Oh yes, look at that puree. I just pour it into the chicken sauce. I mix it well and add a little bit of water to let it loosen up. I leave it to boil after adding in the tomato paste. This is Prekese from Ghana. And because I want it very hot, I add more pepper into the soup and allow it to simmer for 20 more minutes. This is salted fish. The soup is ready. Whilst on fire, let's make fufu. This is the fufu flour. Brought it on fire and within some few minutes it's ready. So I just serve it with chicken light soup. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.